Okay, I was just about to pick out the tires. They look pretty good. I'm gonna get some air into them, but there's something I got to deal with right now. Yeah, I don't know if that camera just picked that up. Look, near in there. Look, God, hornet's nest. Let me know how you want to do this because first thing I want is to go for a fucking torch. All right, now that bloody mess is dealt with. Took a little bit, but she's gone. She's gone. A little bit of brake cleaning and a torch. Took care of her very quick. Sorry, Gary, but had her on fire for a minute. But that's all right. So, my plan now for this evening, I'm gonna get this all up out of here, and Bernie, we're gonna get this all up out of here, and we're gonna start patching up the floor. So let me get this cleaned up and see what we're looking at. What does everybody think so far? Keep in mind, it's not for restoration, it's a derby car. But I think it's going to do alright. Like, I can put my full weight on it, and she's barely even flexing. Like, and it's not done, obviously. I got it tacked over on that side because the metal is very weak and I'm burning holes. So I'm just trying to zap it every now and then. This side is not complete, obviously, and I'm just getting some cuts done so I can actually mold it into the back of this to give it the best strength that I can. And I got a little plate put up under this, which I'm just going to weld down maybe to the frame, just to kind of keep the height, because I guess there was a piece of structure, or maybe it was bowed out here and it's kind of sunk down on this side, so I just put a plate there to kind of even it out. But yeah, I think it's going to do all right. We're going to have to do pretty much the same on the other side, and yeah, I think it's going to do all right. I'm going to keep welding it in over around the sides as much as I can, and then yeah, I think she should do all right. Awesome. Well, there's probably much going to be the end of this day for me. Maybe, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'll probably get a little bit more cleaned out and see what's happening. Other than that, this thing is pretty much ready to go. We'll start building. Garrett should be here tomorrow. Today is Thursday. So yeah, he's going to be here tomorrow. So I say tomorrow evening, we're going to start getting at this thing and having a lot of footage to bring to you guys. This one's going to be different. Anyways, keep building. Stay safe.
This is going to run. Check the oil in the motor. Any oil in it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to need to pick up some transmission fluid tomorrow, but...
Well, you got to have transmission fluid anyway. You got your transmission lines lubed? Or you got transmission cooler?
Got
transmission cooler in there, do you?
Yeah. I got myself a cooler.
Yeah, get some transmission fluid with a U-joint and a rad hose. That's your list for tomorrow, and a compression joiner. What size is that, Brad? You figure a 3/8 or... I think that's the big one, 3/8, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah. 3/8 compression joiner.
For that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like 3/8.
Yeah. Compression joiner, them two together, man.
There's no smaller than 3/8.
So what is that?
Power steering. The main line, right? It's a lot of pressure there.
Something got power?
She got fuel. Oh, there she got fuel, buddy.
Or the distributor, straight to the switch to the battery. It's fuel pump, same thing. And so is the starter signal from this.
Fuel line,
Starter.
distributor line.
When she stops, let go to start.